Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the exists clause works in PostgreSQL. Okay, so a little bit of information of what the exist does. So basically what it does is it goes in and it uses a subquery basically to check whether what the subquery is looking for matches what is in the main query. And I know that kind of sounded technical, but basically what it does is it checks the existence of some kind of record that is being specified in your subquery. Okay, so I'm going to show you an actual example by writing a query that uses a exist. So let's get started. So to use exist, you need to write a main query and a subquery. So the main query would be something like select and give me the, since I'm going to use my post table, I'm actually going to show you my tables first. So let me just change this to 10. So I have a post table and a users table, okay? And all of my users IDs are inside of this bookmarked by user column. And using this column, I'm going to check whether a user exists or not within this column. Back all the information of the users that exist in this column. So I'm telling it select the names column and give me names from the users table, where check if that user exists. I'm going to check that using a subquery that will be select posts dot bookmarked by user column, and I'm going to say from the posts where the post dot, actually I'm just going to copy this, so where the post dot marked by user is equal to a user's ID. Okay, basically this part is saying that give me the names of all of the users and check whether that user exists in the posts bookmarked by user column, and only give those users back to me that exist in the post dot bookmarked by user and user ID columns. So if you see here, I have users 1 to 6 and then not 7, 8 and 9. Okay, but I have 10 here. So users 7, 8 and 9 will not be given to me. Okay, actually I'm going to get the ID as well just so you guys can see. So I'm going to save this. So if that user exists in this bookmark by user column, after it gets all of the users first and then compares that with this column, then it will give me all of those posts. And as you can see, I'm getting the first user, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, but not 7, 8 and 9. I'm getting 10 because this does not include, this column does not include the 7, 8 and 9 user. And if I show you this, this has the 7, 8 and 9 user, and you can check the names of these like John Doe, Jane Smith and all of that. These are the names of those users. So I'm getting back all of my users that exist in that posts bookmarked by user table. That is how exists works. It checks for the existence of the record in another table and gives that back to you, and it uses the subquery to compare that, to compare both of those tables. So now that we've seen exist, there is another one called not exist. So right now I'm not getting 7, 8 and 9, so the not exist will give me all of the users that don't exist in this bookmark by user table. If I just add in not like this and just save, and if I send a request, you will see I'm getting 7, 8 and 9. So this is how the not exist works. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.